In this video, I'll show you how you can stop your laptop from turning off automatically. So once you're on your computer, you want to go to the start icon. So click on start and that will open up this window on Windows 11. Here you need to head over to settings. So click on this icon or just type in settings and then head to it that way. Once you're inside of settings, you want to go to system on the left. So that will be the second one down. And then once you've clicked on system, you're then looking for power and battery. So that will be the fifth one down. So click on that. Once you're inside power and battery, you then need to go to screen and sleep. So click on that. And then you'll be given some settings which you can customize. So right now on battery power, my screen is set to turn off after 5 minutes. But when it's plugged in, my screen is set to turn off never. And you can customize this and change it to however you want. On battery power, my screen goes to sleep after 3 minutes. And then when plugged in, it goes to sleep never. And these are just the settings that I've changed. You can change all of these to go to never if you want to. But once you've changed them, it will go into effect. And yeah, that's how you change it.